In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can start dropshipping from Aliexpress to Etsy. Now, a lot of people want to start dropshipping on Etsy, but they don't know what platform to use. Now, I have been using Aliexpress for a very long time, and the problem with Aliexpress is the shipping time. You will have a lot of problems if you are using Aliexpress on Etsy. Now, a lot of people are using, of course, Aliexpress, like they are dropshipping from Aliexpress to Etsy, but a lot of people got banned because of the shipping time, like I said. Now, the best alternative I found, guys, is CG dropshipping. It's the same as Aliexpress, but on CG, like CG will take care of everything, including the fulfilling the order. Like they will ship the order automatically to the customer. That's what I like about CG. Okay, that's exactly what I like. CG. Now, what you need to do, guys, like I said, a lot of people are using CG, and a lot of people that watch my videos, they started to use CG, and they started to realize that CG is way better than AliExpress for many reasons. I'm gonna mention that in a few seconds. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to just like create an account on CG. You want to search for CG dropshipping, as you can see, and then you want to click on register, as you can see in the top right. After, guys, you click on register, what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on Google at the very bottom. You can register using Facebook if you want, or WhatsApp, or Apple or Shopify. I like to use Google. I'm going to register using my Google account. Now I have successfully registered. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to connect your Etsy to CG. This is a new Etsy shop I just opened a few seconds ago, and this is a new CG account. Now what you need to do, guys, to link or to connect CG to Etsy is you want to click on authorization in the top left, and you want to click on Etsy. Okay, you can also connect this. A lot of people connect this with Shopify, but for today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can do that on Etsy, and also I'm going to be showing you guys how you can start listing products automatically from CG to Etsy. Now you want to click on add store here. Now after you click, guys, on add store, what you need to do, guys, next it says here connect your store. Now you want to scroll down and you want to click on grant access or connect, but for now it took me directly to this page because I already connected this account. Like I already connected an account to my CG to this CG account. Okay, now this is a new account, but the Gmail has been used before on CG. Okay, now what after, guys, like I said, you want to click on confirm access or whatever that like you see in the very bottom. It will take you to this page. As you can see, it says here authorization success. That's what we want. Now we're gonna scroll down a little bit and click on list now. Okay, now if you click on list now, all these products that you see here are ready to drop ship on Etsy. Now the only problem here is you have to make sure that the product is handmade, because all of you guys now you can't sell products that are not handmade on Etsy. That's a huge mistake. A lot of people make when they are drop shipping. Like they don't know that on Etsy you can only sell handmade products. So what you need, guys, before you list anything, you want to go to Etsy and see what people are selling. You want to see what people are selling, and you want to find that exact product on CG. Now for example, this bag, as you can see, you just want to find bags. Like you want to find laptop bags. As you can see, you want to search for laptop bags on CG, and you will find a lot of products that you can list on your Etsy. Make sure the product looks like it's handmade, just like this one. As you can see, it looks like it doesn't look professional. That's what we want. We don't want Etsy to know that we are drop shippers. Of course you can drop ship, but like it's allowed. They just say that you have to drop ship handmade products. Exactly. Now you want to find a product that looks like it's handmade. I would just go with this one. As you can see, this one. And what you need to do, guys, next is you want to scroll down and you want to click on list. Okay, after you click, guys, on list, you want to then click on where it says the ship from. You want to like go with this and make sure you select here United States, as you can see, because most people that shop on Etsy, they are from United States. And here CG packet, you want to go with this one, CG packet sensitive, because of the fast shipping. By the way, when someone buys the product on your store on Etsy, because you already connected CG to Etsy, like if someone buys the product, like CG will take care of everything. They will ship the product automatically and you will be left with the profit. Okay, that's what I mean, guys. Exactly, that's what I like about CG. Okay, now you want to click on tags. You want to just add, for example, new or whatever. Click on this plus, and that's it. And what you need to do, guys, next is you want to scroll down and you want to click on price, where it says here price change. You want to add here the price, and this is the total dropshipping cost. This is how much money CG will take of the sale. It will take $14, and you need to add here, for example, I said like $20. Yeah, I would just go with $20. And this is, like I said, by the way, like there is a fee of Etsy. Like you just want to search for, if you don't know, guys, that Etsy charges some fees, like as you can see, 20 cents for each item that you list on Etsy. Okay, make sure you know that, because a lot of people don't know that Etsy charges 20 cents for every listing you list on your Etsy shop. Okay, now you want to click on OK. Now we have successfully added the price that we are going to sell this item on Etsy. You want to click on list now. Now after, guys, you click on list now, it says here listing filed, create program platform product filed. Listing create are disabled for frozen shops. Now this shop is new, that's why I can't do that, but for you guys, you will be able to list that item on your shop. Okay, now after, guys, someone buys the product on your shop on Etsy, like I said, Etsy on Etsy, like I said, CG will take care of everything. They will ship the product automatically to the customer. Now probably you don't understand anything and you want this to be easier. You want to know how to buy, how to list. I made another video in the screen, but make sure you drop a like on this video and click the video in the screen. It will help you a lot, I promise that, guys. Click the video in the screen and you will be able to learn more about how you can start dropshipping on Etsy. Just like me, I make over $6,000 every single month just with dropshipping. Okay, now make sure you click the video in the screen and see you guys in the next video.